Disclaimer. The food items being reviewed and tasted were all bought out of pocket by the GOAT, or the greatest of all Titos, and none of which were provided by the food provider or restaurant and topic. All comments and reactions in this video are genuine, and that the food provider or restaurant had no input or influence whatsoever. As always, the opinions and reactions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect the opinions of all Titos or uncles around the world. Possibly a few, but definitely not all.
Since time immemorial, we as a society have or love the idea of like a rivalry. Whether it is you are rooting for the underdog or gusto mo talaga yung malakas or yung obvious na no, or because tunga nag-aral, whatever, we thrive on rivalry. Like in the States, it's the Republicans and the Democrats. Or in sports, like in the 70s, 80s, it was the Lakers versus the Celtics. Here in the Philippines, the rivalries in schools, not now, but back then in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, it's LaSalle versus Ateneo. And the same goes for food. So right in front of me are two of the world's most famous fast food restaurants. And what we are going to be doing is a rival challenge. So, for the start of the new year, every Tuesday, I'll be coming out with, I'll be putting up what we call a rival video. Basically, paglalaban natin 2, 3, or 4 different fast food items or food items, pit it against each other, and see which one is better. Okay. Now, I understand in this context, meron ibang players dyan, like, because for this topic we'll be doing a rival on fried chicken, and I know that there are a lot of players out there. First of all, there's KFC, there's Wendy's, Burger King, so on and so forth. But you know deep down inside na ito lang dalawa ang naglalaban. We'll be comparing McDonald's fried chicken and Jollibee Chickenjoy. Let's get to it. Alright, so I've already unbagged the two combatants or competitors for this particular video. To my left, we have the Chicken McDo from obviously McDonald's, and to my right is the also world famous Chickenjoy from Jollibee. Okay, so I grew up eating both, so wala akong preference as for this moment. What I can say though is, you know, in the past, parang ilang beses na nag-change ng recipe from both sides. There was even a joke before that both even switched recipes because one tasted like the other and vice versa. But now we're gonna look at it right now, at this particular moment. Chicken McDo, as what they advertised recently, is that lumaki yung chicken nila. So let us see if it is true. We're going to be comparing the size, the taste, and the bang for buck. Now, I did not go through the Grab route this time. I actually went to their individual stores and ordered it. So for the prices of both, this is the price of the Chicken McDo, both from the store and from the Grab app. And this is the price of the Chickenjoy, also from the store and from the Grab app. Okay, personally, when I order either from Grab or in store, I specify what piece I want. But this time, I didn't do that. I just told them I ordered 1-piece chicken with rice a la carte and let them decide what piece they think I deserve. So, let's hop on to it. Right, so this is their own chickens. Take note, I did not specify what piece I wanted. Seems like they gave me the same thing, rib and wing, I think. But as you can see in the video, the chicken in McDo is damn mas malaki. Is it almost twice the size? No. Let's start off with Jollibee first kasi mas malaki yung McDo. So it's a breast part. Sige, let's keep that here muna. Let's see. Okay, for McDo. Damn, laki. It's a breast and rib part. Damn, laki. Alright. So again, let's try first with Chickenjoy. We kind of know what it tastes like. So, yung skin, meat muna, the breast part. As with any fried chicken, the fast food fried chicken, the breast part is normally drier. I mean, it's kind of juicy still, pero may dryness siya. But the taste is still there. Masarap naman ang chicken. Let's admit it. Okay. Okay. Try it with their gravy. Okay. Next with their skin. Can't go wrong with Jollibee, you know, let's face it. I mean, natin, diba? It's really good. The skin is also fatty, it's flavorful, hindi overpowering, you know. And now that I am analyzing it, parang nalalasa mo yung flour niya. It's not, but the breading is not too thick. Okay, now, McDo. I got the breast part as well. Mas makapalang breading. And grabe, mas maraming meat. Okay, you see me tear off half the breast, right? Parang ganito kalaking sa Chickenjoy pa lang. Okay. The McDo, ma'am, breast pa rin, yeah. But it doesn't taste as dry as the one of Jollibee's. Mas malasa siya. It's not as juicy as Jollibee, take note. But it's not as dry. Si Jollibee naman kasi juicy-licious naman. Pero okay. On the second bite, the breast is pretty dry. So sa juiciness pa lang lamang na kagad si KFC because wala kang maramdaman na juiciness. Let's try McDonald's gravy. Okay, yung gravy ng McDo is similar to, if memory serves me right, parang yung gravy ng SNR. It's peppery. Okay. Now the skin. The breading is kind of thicker here. Pero I mean, wala siyang separation. You can't tell the difference between the skin and the breading. So I think that's good. Definitely crispier. Okay. bang for buck, I think mas sulit itong si McDo because for a one-piece chicken a la carte with rice and gravy on its own, I mean in store it's 92 pesos, whereas for Jollibee Chickenjoy it's 82. 10 peso difference for almost twice the size. I cannot do a comparison of which one tastes better because they're both good. So it's a matter of preference. Kau na bahala whether you're pro Jollibee or pro McDo. But they're both good. Size, medyo lamang kagad si McDo. Juiciness, si Jollibee. Gravy, for me, McDo, I kinda like it. I like it medyo mas peppery. But for each his own. So that's it. This is your quick and dirty review or rivalry review of McDo's Chicken McDo and Jollibee's Chickenjoy. Thank you for stopping by. Catch you in the next video.